This is how to make cocktail sauce. Cocktail sauce is good on fried shrimp, boiled shrimp, all kinds of seafood. This is an extra hot horseradish. You may not want an extra hot. There's a bunch of varieties available. And how much you use is a matter of personal preference. I like it kind of hot, so I put a decent amount of horseradish in there. Next thing you'll do is add Worcestershire. Now, if you add too much Worcestershire, not enough ketchup, it may take on more of a dark color instead of a reddish color. So I added quite a bit of Worcestershire. You may not want to add that much. Ketchup, bunch of different varieties. I'm using jalapeno ketchup because I like things spicier. Squirt in a good amount here, and my bottle was kind of malfunctioning, so you can see I was shaking it vigorously trying to get it to come out. But add as much ketchup as you feel appropriate. Again, mix this stuff to taste. And see, now you can see I've got the ketchup added in there. And the next thing I'll do is I'm going to add some lemon juice. Now, with lemon juice, you could use fresh lemons, or you could use something like this. I didn't have any fresh lemons in my refrigerator, so I just used this. Again, matter of personal taste preference. Put that in there. Something I always do is freshly ground pepper. Do not use that pepper that's already out of the thing. Use a pepper mill and do it properly. The next thing is a little bit of garlic salt, or garlic powder in my case. I didn't want to really add any salt. You could if you wanted to, but I'm just going to add some garlic powder. And now you can see you've got the fresh ground pepper, the garlic powder, and all the other ingredients. And then after I've stirred it up, you can see it takes on that color. I might would have wanted to add a little bit more ketchup. This is a little bit more on the darker side, but hey, it tastes delicious. Play with this, tweak the ingredients, and make it taste just like you want it to taste. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IrixGuy. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.